Smash burgers is always a hot topic, y'all. In the griddle game, going out to eat game, that really famous burger spot, hey, there's a lot of misconceptions and we are going to smash each and every one of them right here, right now. That's right, Harold, this thing isn't a water balloon. You're not squishing water out of this thing, so get over it, y'all. All right, hey, let's get to number one misconception of smash burgers. Thicker burgers are always better. Well, the fact is, smash burgers thrive on being very, very thin. The thin patty allows for maximum crust and faster cooking, locking in that flavor, that Maillard reaction, that crust, it's a must, let me tell you. Number two, y'all, this is a big one. Smash burgers are always dry and overcooked. Well, that is simply not the case. When done right, smash burgers can be juicy and flavorful thanks to that Maillard reaction we noted in point one and that fast cooking time. Y'all, these things can be very juicy and very delicious. Number three, you need a special ratio of fat to meat for smash burgers. Well, y'all, that's just simply not true. A 80-20 ground chuck that you get from your supermarket is perfect. Now, if you want to use some kind of special bougie ratio, then go right ahead. It makes a flavorful burger also. Number four, you can only use a griddle to make a smash burger. Y'all, that is simply not true. You could use a cast iron skillet, a carbon steel skillet. You could use basically whatever that's nice and flat and gets hot so you can smash it to get that nice thin patty and that nice patch of hotness to get that Maillard reaction. Dang it, boys, Maillard reaction, that is the word of the day. Number five, adding many toppings makes for a better smash burger. Well, y'all, that is not true. The thing about a smash burger is it's all about that thin, crusty patty. The toppings, don't overdo it, y'all. A little bit of pickle, a little bit of mayonnaise, Duke's mayonnaise, state law, and that, my friends, is a awesome burger. Now, a little lettuce, a little tomato, that's good too, but don't overdo it, y'all. Don't overdo it. Number six, you can smash the burger anytime during cooking or smashing it before adding it to the surface. Well, the fact is, the best time to smash is within 10 to 15 seconds of cooking. Right when you put that ball down, you hit that smash. You want to do it really, really fast, really, really quick as soon as it hits the surface. Some folks want to smash it beforehand, making it nice and thin. Well, you just don't get that contact patch because you have this device that's pressing it onto that hot surface. So you don't get that same contact patch. Number seven, it's not the end. We got one more bonus, so stick around. Smash burgers require a lot of seasoning. That is not true. The fact is, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, or a little bit of heifer dust, okay? Goes a long way, and you want that meat to shine through, that crusty meat, all right? Our bonus misconception, you can't make a smash burger without a special press tool like this. Well, my friends, you do not need a special tool like this. You can use this. You can use any kind of thing that is flat, like this right here. You can smash it with this, with some parchment paper. You could use a cast iron skillet, oh, I got one right here, right here. You could use the bottom of this to press one down. Spatulas, it doesn't matter. You do not need anything special. These do help. I like these a lot, especially when there's no lip. You can really get at that smash burger, but you don't need a special tool, y'all. Talking about all these smash burgers, it's got me hungry. I don't know if you see or not, but this griddle is ready. This is how I make smash burgers. 80-20 ground chuck, nothing bougie, right? 80-20. Gonna put a couple of our balls down. Now, I am using our specialty smasher here, but you don't have to. And I wanna show you that you don't need it. Now, look at here. State law, right here. Don't need nothing special. Look at that. It's gonna have the nice lacy edges. Now, some people might say that's crazy. That's actually a delicacy. Delicacy. All right. Let's use some spatulas this time. We don't need that. Let's use spatulas. No problemo. There we go. Look at that. All right, now remember, seasoning, keeping it simple. Not a lot of seasoning. You just want the burger to do the talking. Oh, let's go ahead and get this one that we pre-smashed. Let's get it onto the griddle. As you can see, I mean, it's 30 seconds. We're gonna flip this one right here. Let's put it over here. Look at that, nice, crispy edges. We're gonna put that one back together, no big deal. Look at that. Look at that. Now, put that right there. You stay right there. And I mean, they're already done. That is the cool thing about Smashburgers. It's that crust. That crust is a must. We're gonna go ahead and put our cheese on this. I like to use American cheese. Use whatever cheese you like on that. Special burger smasher. State law. Okay, we're gonna toast those a little bit. Just like that. Toast it. Let's see what we got right here. Now, you can kind of see it bubbles up, and that's one of the things you don't want. You don't want it to bubble up. Let's put these. We're gonna make doubles. That's a good thing. And you can see the juices. Look at those juices. They say it's dry. You're pushing all of the darn moisture out of it. That's just not true. This is what I like to do. Put that, steams the bun a little bit more. Okay, there we go. Let's see if we got, look, see that? You just don't have the crust because we didn't press that meat right onto the griddle. So there you go. All righty. Put this over here. Woo! Boys and girls, look at that. Now we're gonna finish these up. Just a little bit of pickle. A little bit of pickle. Oh man, these things are not dry. Oh, forgot my mayonnaise or ketchup. Need ketchup. A little bit of ketchup. 1, 2. There we go. Look at that. Look at that juice. Look at that juice. Look at that juice, Jacob. Y'all, there you go. Now granted, this one right here, it's not a bad burger, but it's not gonna be as good as this one with this nice crust. Don't let nobody tell you Smashburgers aren't a delicacy. Uh-oh, I gotta open the doors.